In a quiet suburban neighborhood, nestled between tall trees and well-kept lawns, lived a man named Alex. Alex had always dreamed of having a beautiful deck in the backyard, a place to host gatherings, enjoy sunny afternoons, and watch the world go by. Eager to turn this dream into reality, Alex decided to hire a deck-building contractor. After researching a few local contractors, Alex found himself talking to John, a seasoned professional with years of experience in crafting beautiful decks. John took precise measurements of the backyard, considered Alex's vision, and provided a detailed quote for $45,000. As Alex reviewed the estimate, he couldn't help but express concern about the cost. "I've seen some online tutorials," Alex said, "and I think I can get this done for a lot cheaper. Your quote is just too much." John, the contractor, listened patiently. He understood that everyone had a budget, but he also knew the value of his expertise. "Alex," he began, "building a deck involves more than just the materials. I've invested in expensive tools, gained years of experience, and secured contractor insurance to ensure the safety of your project. I spend time calculating materials, picking them up, training my workers, and obtaining necessary permits. All of this contributes to the quality of the work I deliver." Alex, however, remained unconvinced. "I still think it's too much. I can find someone else to do it cheaper," he remarked. John took a moment before responding. "Alex, I respect your budget, but it's important to understand the value you're getting. You're not just paying for the materials, you're investing in the assurance of a well-built, safe, and beautiful deck." Reluctantly, Alex decided to give it a try himself. However, he soon realized the challenges ahead. With a demanding job and family responsibilities, he found himself short on time. The new tools he needed to buy required space he didn't have, and there was no one available to assist him in building the deck. Furthermore, Alex lacked the confidence to cut the expensive materials precisely. Feeling overwhelmed, Alex decided to reach out to John for guidance. "I never realized the true value of your expertise and hard work. I'm sorry for underestimating the effort you put into your projects." John, being the professional he was, accepted Alex's apology graciously. "It's okay, Alex. Let's focus on creating the deck you've always wanted." As the project progressed, Alex witnessed the meticulous attention to detail, the use of high-quality materials, and the efficiency of a professional contractor. In the end, Alex not only had the deck he had envisioned, but also gained a newfound appreciation for the craftsmanship and dedication that John had brought to the project. And so, the lesson was learned: value and quality come at a cost, one that ensures everyone wins in the end. Alex, now a satisfied customer, realized the importance of supporting skilled professionals. At Alljeet, we believe everyone should win when it comes to projects. Contractors deserve a fair income for their valuable experience and hard work, and customers deserve high-quality results. When you choose Alljeet, you're choosing a commitment to fairness and excellence in every project.